Welcome back to Fromania Bricks, and welcome back to the world's fanciest LEGO recording studio in our house on the second floor.
In this room.
And today, we're here to talk with you about a little problem that we all have as LEGO builders, and that is LEGO stickers. I don't know about you, but there have been so many times that I've gone to apply my little LEGO sticker. It's gone a little wonky, and I've just been sick with myself. So we want to share with you our best rhythm of applying LEGO stickers so that when you get that rare, exclusive, irreplaceable LEGO set or that $10 LEGO City set, you know that your stickers are applied with precision. And we're also going to share with you a couple of the tips that we have for fixing your wonky stickers as well. Is wonky a word?
Wonky's a word.
Let's go with wonky. Micah, before we get started, I need you to ask me a joke.
Uh-oh.
I need you to ask me a, why did the chicken cross the road joke.
Why did the chicken cross the road?
Because! Alright, we're going to just jump right into this one, but as you can see, we don't even have a LEGO set to apply stickers. That's okay, though, because we have the perfect LEGO set today to apply some stickers and let you see how we do it. So let's, first we got to bring in the LEGO set. Let's see if this works again. It's worked in the past. 1, 2, 3. There it is! That worked perfectly. This is the LEGO City Toys R Us truck. We recently picked this set up at Bricks and Minifigs of Brentwood, Tennessee. It was part of an amazing buy they got. And I couldn't pass on this thing. Brand new, sealed in box, but this one's not built. So we do need to work on building this first so that we can get to the point that we need stickers. So let's try again and see if we can actually build it the same way we just brought it in. So 1, 2, 3. There it is. It worked. It worked. We got both. So we have the LEGO City Toys R Us truck, which is, I mean, honestly, let's just acknowledge how cool of a set this is first. This is so neat. If you remember the original LEGO City yellow truck, it is identical to that. Micah didn't think that it was, so I put him to the test before we started the video. He did a brick by brick comparison. He broke it down 100%, broke the other one down 100%, built it in. He spot checked it, and it was the same. He spot checked it, and it was the same. But as you can see, right now, it's just a blue and white truck. Like, there's nothing fancy, nothing. There goes the bear. This bear is really cool. This is also interesting. It is a LEGO element with no LEGO connection points.
Yeah, it's bizarre. I mean, if I was going for a bulk lot, I'd be like, that's not LEGO, and throw it away.
I guess, would the arms be considered a connection point since a minifigure's hand can grab the arm?
Yes, I would say so.
But as you can see right now, this is not a Toys R Us truck, nor a Toys R Us store. It could actually be a Lowe's truck.
Or a Walmart.
Or a Walmart truck. But it is indeed Toys R Us because today we're going to apply some stickers on this retired LEGO set. Fresh sticker sheet. If we mess this up, I cannot just call LEGO, be like, I messed up my stickers. So these stickers matter. Like, if I mess these up, I don't know what this sticker sheet goes for on Bricklink. We've got to do it right today. Some of the popular methods out there's a couple of methods. One is to lift the sticker off with tweezers, and then you lay the sticker down. I'm not a fan of this method because you're taking delicate stickers and you're interacting with a metal element with that, right? Tweezers are metal. You could pinch it. You could scratch the top of it. There's just too many things that I think could go wrong with tweezers. The second method that I've seen, especially with larger stickers or clear stickers, is that you do it kind of like vinyl on a car or window tint, where you put a little bit of soap water down and you put the sticker on top of it where you can kind of slide it and position it, and then you squeegee it out. Number one, that's way too much work.
Yeah.
I'm not getting soap on my LEGO bricks that could interact negatively with it, that could disrupt the sticker. And I'm just not making a mess. Like, I'm not going to do that. The third method, which is our favorite method, which is our tried and true method, is simply this. It's a brick separator. If you collect LEGO, I know you have a brick separator. In fact,
500 of them.
500 brick separators or 1,000 brick separators. This plastic element, it's really hard to damage a sticker with. and it's really easy to use as a positioning tool. So we're going to show you how we use this to apply stickers. And this works for large stickers, and it works for small stickers, and it works really well for clear stickers. With a clear sticker, if you touch your finger to that clear backing, immediately you get a fingerprint on the back of that sticker. And when you put it on, it's really hard to work that fingerprint out permanently. So with this technique, you don't even have to touch your fingers to the sticker element and risk getting oil on the sticker or risk getting fingerprints or anything on it. So this is a super easy technique. I promise you, if you give it a try, you're gonna love it. All right, let's bring in the truck here and show you what we're about to do. We are about to take the big Toys R Us R sticker and lay it on this large panel. So we're gonna take this sticker right here and we're gonna apply it here. And I know that I told you this was a new truck and no stickers were applied. Well, we just applied a sticker and I forgot to hit record. So we're gonna start over with this side of the truck. So the first thing that you wanna do is make sure that the truck is stable, right? So right now it's rolling, it's wobbly. That's no good for applying a sticker. So we're gonna disconnect it from the hauler. We're gonna lay it flat. Still a little wonky, so I'm gonna pull these wheels off as well. And I'll show you the final product that we're looking for. We are looking for this, right? We're gonna want this sticker applied on this panel, on this side, hopefully with the equal amount of precision. So I'm gonna lay it down, right? You don't have a lot of rocking anymore. And we're gonna apply this big R sticker to it. Now, the first thing that I do when I'm applying these stickers is that I don't want my finger to touch the glue a lot because I don't want to degrade the glue. I don't want oils on it. So I'm gonna kind of curl the sticker sheet and lightly get the sticker pulling back from it. Then I'm gonna slide my brick separator under here and I'm just gonna lift the sticker off. Right now you can see the sticker is attached to the brick separator. Just a light little tack on it. It's not going anywhere. Now, initially, you're just gonna wanna take the sticker, line it up, and put it on. What I like to do before that is I will flip the sticker upside down. That way, I can get a gauge for placement, right? Because if I just tack the sticker down, maybe it's straight, but it's up here. Or it's straight, but it's down here. I like to get a feel for all of the margins on the sticker. How is it going to look and is it going to be even? So you're just kind of visually spot checking it. There is no way to fully mark it, but you're getting an idea when you look at it of where it needs to be. Once I'm comfortable with that, I'm going to lay it flat and I'm going to take the sticker and I'm going to work on trying to get that same placement with the same margins. You can lightly stick it to the edge and kind of spot check, is it straight? If it's not, you can gently lift the sticker back off and work on placement again. Now, if you lift the sticker off too hard, it will curl the edge. Even that curled the edge a little bit, which makes it harder to realign next time. Sometimes if that happens, you'll just have to get another brick separator and move it to the other side of the sticker. So let's go ahead and apply this sticker and see how straight we can get it using this technique. I like to put my thumb on the top and then my finger on the bottom, which gives me a really stable range of motion to make sure I'm not just flopping around. So I get it as close as I can, hold on to it, and then I just spot line it up the way that I did before. So I'm looking to get, kind of an equal margin around this whole sticker. I'll lightly drag it till it looks right. When it looks right, I'll let that front edge stick, and then I'll use my finger to kind of press it down, and on a larger sticker, make sure there's no bubbles in it. So once it's pressed on, once it's down, you can flip it up and see. Not bad. It's not perfect. You can see a little bubble there. If you get a little bubble, just kind of work it out with your thumb a little bit. It's not perfect, but it's not bad either. Honestly, I think that I did a better job lining this side up, but it is pretty level. It is pretty stable on there. Small ones can be a little more challenging to do. So let's go ahead and take this small one and let's put a license plate on this small one here. So again, I'm gonna take my sticker sheet. On a smaller one, I'm gonna get it lifted up a little bit. I'm gonna put my brick separator under it, lift it off, And now we're going to apply it to the tile. With the tile, I found that it's easier for it to be affixed to something than just holding a tile by itself. So whether it's on the assembly or you attach it to its own brick to do it, it's just easier to have something bigger to hold. So I'm going to spot check my alignment on where it needs to go, right about in that area. I'm going to line it up, let one edge press down, tack it, and then just pull the brick separator out. I'm not going to lie, that is a perfect license plate application right there. You can see how easy it is to line it up. Now imagine doing that with your fingers, trying to get it lined up. It's just really, really hard to do. We're going to drive our truck back in. And now we have a white Lego sticker that needs to be applied right here. So we are going to be applying, you can see in the book, this white Toys R Us sticker. And you don't have great edges to work with on this. So we're going to pull this element off, make sure we're not rolling around. We're also going to brake our truck. We're going to sit it here. And now we're going to work on applying this white Toys R Us sticker. So first I'm going to curl the edge up again a little bit, not much. I'm going to slide my brick separator under it, clip it on, lift it off the sheet. And now, first thing we want to do is check placement, because this one is a little different. It's kind of far up from the bottom, but not all the way, and center on the edges. So you've got to work with it a little bit to make sure that you know visually where it's going to go. Once you have an idea, you flip it over. You're kind of trying to visually remember where you had it. I'm lining up. Oh, you see what I did? I got it crooked on here, so now I'm going to actually show you something else cool. If you apply your sticker wrong, you can actually take your sticker sheet, you can use this little edge of the sticker sheet, and watch this. I can slide it under the sticker here. See that? See how it just slid right under that sticker? And I can use that to gently lift the sticker back off. You had no idea this sheet could be a sticker remover. You're just using this edge here to lift the sticker off. And look at that. The sticker is 100% undamaged. If you use your fingernails or anything else to try and get the sticker off of that, you will damage the sticker. So now we're going to try again. I'm aligning the straight edges here, gently laying the sticker down. Now I'm pressing it on. And look at that application. It is a little bit to the left. It's not perfect because you're visually doing it, but it is indeed straight. Like it is a straight sticker. We'll wheel the truck back in. And there you go. Even once this sticker is secure, if that would bother me, you saw I pressed it down. I can still work this under that sticker gently. See this? Can still gently work it under the sticker, lift it off, and I can try again. And I can try and get it a little more center. Look at that. And now it's actually perfectly centered. So you can actually peel your sticker up, not damage it, and reapply it. Let's do one more sticker here, and then we'll wrap this up. The storefront here is going to get a Toys R Us sticker. This one I will actually pop the tile off. So I'm going to pull the tile off. I'm going to come over here and get my Toys R Us sticker. I'm going to let it stick to the brick separator. I'm going to get a feel again for what should my spacing be on this. And then I'm going to flip it over. And we're just going to lay it gently onto the tile. That is way not straight, so we'll lift it up and try again. It can be a tedious process, and if you're a perfectionist, it becomes an even harder. And on this one with the two blue colors, it can be really hard to see, are you getting it straight on there? Perfectly straight Toys R Us sticker. Let's put it on the store because that's how we'll really tell if it's straight. And as you can see, that Toys R Us sticker is perfect on there. So as you can see, with this little technique, doing stickers actually is nothing to be afraid of. I built the Billy Thompson truck, which is an incredibly rare Lego Inside Tour set. I found a sticker sheet to that truck, and I was really intimidated about doing the stickers on that truck, because if I messed up a sticker, it was hundreds of dollars lost. That was my first kind of true test of this technique. And it worked so well that I won't do stickers any other way. And as you saw, using the sticker sheet to peel stickers off is like, man, if someone could have told me that years ago. Another trick that we aren't showing in this video, but let's say that you're having a hard time using this to get the sticker off. If you were to take this element and have a warm cup of coffee or a warm cup of tea and hold this against the cup, it will heat up that glue where you can then use this to lift it off. This will also work on retired sets. If you buy an old retired set that the stickers have already been applied, but they're crooked, you can use the heating technique and the sticker sheet technique to actually fix the stickers on used sets that you buy as well. Thanks for hanging out at the Lego table with us today. We hope that you find this helpful. We hope that you're a little less intimidated by stickers after watching this video. We're gonna cut this and go finish stickering up this Lego Toys R Us truck so that it can find a new spot on the Fromania Bricks shelf collection. In the meantime, we hope that you go out there and you give more.
Oh my gosh, I continue to forget to do this. Do more.
Share more.
And love more.
And let those smiles be sticky, right? Let them stick to other people. Let them be contagious because there's someone out there that needs your smile. Go out there, give more, do more, love more, share more, and show your smile because they truly are contagious.
Give more, do more, share more, and love.